Do a very quick comparison between this tape right here with the lines all compared side by side with this duct tape, literally duct tape. All right, so slap it on here. Of course, it's not closed all the way. Just kind of want to show you how. That's terrible. Let's go ahead and swap out this terrible duct tape with this high quality stuff right here. First of all, let's prime it a little bit. Let's see if in fact it is easy to prime. Oh, it is. Look at that. Oh, that is just joyful. And it does fit organically in there. We're gonna prime it like so. That is super thick and sticky. Look at that. Okay, that, once it's on the box, is not going anywhere. Let's test it. And wow, that is some really, really thick stuff. That's strong. Okay, if you want incredibly strong stuff that's not going anywhere to actually be protecting your merchandise, this is the stuff, because once it's on there, it's not going anywhere.